Welcome back. Now that you know how to access the Group Gerhardt server, we're going to talk to you about adding a client and projects for a proposal. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on, and a single click, the Client Setup and Reporting star. When you click on that, you're going to pull up a warning. You're going to say you want to connect to the server. You're going to ignore everything else on here that does not pertain to what we're doing. So just to connect. Once you do that, you will have to enter your credentials in here. It'll default to what you logged on to the server with, and you just need to enter your passcode. Once you enter that in, you're going to see the remote application connecting. It'll take a couple of minutes, a little longer for the first time. It's kind of akin to starting up a computer. Once it pulls up, you're going to notice we have 4 buttons available to us. Today, the only button we're interested in is the first one, which is the Add/Edit Clients. Single click to select it. Once this pulls up, you're going to see we have 3 steps to make here. Step 1, pick a client from the list. Since this is the first time, you're going to see if I hit the drop down, there's nothing in here. Important note is do not try and type in this field. This is strictly for selecting things that have been entered into it previously. In order to enter a client, you're going to click the button, click here to add a client to the list. Now I can go ahead and type, and we're going to put in Mr. Ross Redmond. All I have to do is close this out. Now I'm going to go back to the list, and I'm going to select Mr. Ross Redmond as my client. Notice there are no projects for Mr. Redmond, so again I have to click here to add a project to this client. So I click here, and I will type in whatever you want to name this particular project. For him, I'm going to call it 111 Street Road. Now close this out. Now I come back here and I select 111 Street Road. The third step, and this has to be completed in order to have a project registered in the system, is we need to add at least 1 room for every project. For Mr. Redmond, I have done an approximator, and I'm using the report on that, and I have the rooms listed out as we discussed earlier. So I'm going to type in the rooms that we're going to have in this particular project. We have the kitchen and back door. Once I've completed this, all I have to do is press the close button, and you have successfully set up a client and a project. Thank you.